Hi everyone. Vegetable oils like safflower oil, sunflower oil, canola oil or soybean oil, are these oils, vegetable oils, are healthy as those are marketed as heart healthy? Let me tell you, these are rather heart damaging as these oils are high in omega-6, which are very much pro-inflammatory. Now do not get me wrong, omega-6 is an essential fatty acid that our body cannot make on its own, so we definitely have to provide in our diet, but too much of omega-6 is definitely not good for your health because it is highly pro-inflammatory. Even though inflammation is good, but too much of inflammation is not healthy for your body. And another reason that you should be avoiding these oils for cooking majorly, because when you cook food in these oils, as these oils are unsaturated, very much unstable as they contain double bonds of carbon, they tend to get oxidized very easily. It means they tend to react with oxygen in the air and lose their electron and turns into free radicals. Now when you consume these oils, and these free radicals actually can attack your healthy cells of your body and can cause a lot of cell damage. So that is why you should be avoiding these oils for cooking purpose. Then what kind of oils you should be using? You should be using the best oil you can use for cooking is coconut oil, because it is very much stable and saturated, and it's also healthy for your body. The omega-6 content in this oil is very low. Thus, if you're not comfortable with the taste of coconut oil, then you can go for ghee, butter. These are also low in omega-6 and saturated and very much stable, so they do not get oxidized very easily. If you are not compatible even with these options, then I just can recommend you that you can use mustard oil or rice bran oil, but it should be in moderation. Now these oils are omega-9 dominant, but the tendency of getting oxidized obviously is lesser than the oils like sunflower, safflower, canola, soybean, these oils. And another misconception I want to clear here is about olive oil. People think or believe that olive oil is one kind of the best oils for cooking purpose, but it is actually not, because the smoke point of olive oil is very low. Thus it tends to get oxidized very easily. So thus you should be avoiding olive oil as well as for cooking. Rather you can use olive oil for salad dressing and all. So if you're using and consuming these oils, stop it right away. If you are looking for better health, if you want to live a healthy life, then you should stop all these oils right away. Thank you so much for watching this video.